driveway done today. I told the guy I was going to do his driveway, and I'll probably come back tomorrow, see if we can take a look at this. Try and get it on camera so you guys can see it. No, it's too dark. But yeah, all this got to be done right here. It looks bad, but hopefully we'll get it done. All right, I'll give you guys a before and after once we get finished with this. It is a little hot out here, so I'm not trying to do too much. You know what I mean? Just to do the driveways, I just charge $50 to do the driveway. It's a small driveway, so it's a quick little 50 bucks right here. All right, let me get finished with this, you guys. I'll give you an update in a minute. Finally getting it finished up. It looks pretty good. Came out pretty good. Most of that stuff came up. Whatever couldn't come out, we couldn't get it, but come out looking pretty decent, pretty good. All right, we're done for the day. All right, this is Daddy Boy signing off.